everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to teach you something very interesting that I've received a request from many of you to teach you about how to say I love you in German language. So let's begin with the same. I love you is known as Ich liebe dich. I love you is simply known as Ich liebe dich in German. Okay. Or if you have a girl like she's a bit shy nature, or you are like you don't want to propose directly, she may slap you or something. So how do you say? You want to say I really like you. That is known as Ich habe dich gern. Ich habe dich gern. I really like you is known as Ich habe dich gern. Okay. Or you are head over heels over some girl. Okay, head over heels, you already know the meaning. It's a form of I love you only. How do you say that? It's Ich bin verknallt. Head over heels is Ich bin verknallt. Or like we have some guys who are very much cheesy kind of. They use very cheesy lines to propose a girl. So let's suppose if you wanna say I am in love with you. How do you say that? I am in love with you is simply Ich bin verliebt in dich. I am in love with you. Ich bin verliebt in dich. Okay. Or another cheesy line that we can pick up is you are the love of my life. You might have heard many people saying you are the love of my life. How do we say that in German? It's known as Du bist die Liebe meines Lebens. Du bist die Liebe meines Lebens. You are the love of my life. So guys, these are all 4-5 lines that I have told you how you can propose someone in German language. Make maximum benefit of these lines. These are very good ones that you can use. And in case of any doubts, queries, you want me to put on some more sessions or any other topic, just comment below or mail me. I'm right here to help you out, and I'll soon be there with my next lesson. And if you like my videos, please do like, share, subscribe.